100% pure coconut cookie with only coconut flour and water. Coconut flour. 2 spoons of coconut flour. Add a bit of water and mix. Add some more water if the dough is too dry. Dry coconut dough will fall apart easily and cannot be shaped properly. Put onto a baking paper in a baking cup.
Bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
After 20 minutes of baking, let it cool down a while to harden it. 100% pure coconut cookie with only coconut flour and water. Texture is a bit crumbly, but tastes good even with just the basic coconut flour. Ingredients: coconut flour, water. This coconut cookie is made with coconut flour and more water added. It's easier to form into a better shape when mixing. Less crumbly but still a bit moist after 20 minutes of baking.